See, we are going to use database first.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Anjal, good morning. See, suppose we were having two tables. See, first I'll explain you cross join again because you are having some doubt. Then after cross join, we will discuss natural join. So see, the very first thing is for the cross join. We were having two table. First one was sports and second one was EMP. So simply we are going to write select asterisk from, and then you write both the table name. Then also it is example of cross join. Okay, there are different methods to do cross join. Now in case of cross join, columns will be added and rows will be multiplied. So first I'll show you both the tables again. First is suppose sports. This is my first table, and second one is suppose EMP. Okay, so in this 2 rows are there and here 7 rows are there. Remember this thing, it is given 8, but total 7 rows are there and 4 and 5 columns are there. So when you will do cross join, so it will be 4 plus 5, that is 9 columns will be there and rows will be multiplied, means 2 into 7, 14. Okay, how to do cross join? You write both the table name together, like select asterisk from EMP, comma, then sports. So suppose if I'm writing like this, you can see now if you will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 columns are there. And if you start counting this, you can see 7 into 2, that is 14 rows are there. This is what your cross join. You can write like this or you can write like this over here. You can write join sports. Again, you will get the same answer. Here I am writing only join in between. Okay. Or if you wanted to write specifically, you can write here cross join. So these are the three methods. Okay. So again, anyone you can write either two column names separated by comma, two column names with join clause, or two column name with cross join. Okay, anyone you can use. Ultimately, result will be same. Columns will be added and rows will be multiplied. Disha, clear this one? If any specific doubt, you let me know. Yes, Disha, any doubt with this?
मैम एक बार इक्वी ज्वाइन और नॉन इक्वी ज्वाइन बताना.
Beta, equijoin में we used to write is equal to operator, and non-equijoin में we can use anything except is equal to operator. For example, suppose if I am writing like this. Okay, if I am writing like this, sports, and then I am writing where, then we are giving, suppose serial number is common in both. If you will see the tables, right? Let me show you the table again. In EMP also we are having serial number, and in sports also we are having serial number. So in equijoin we use is equal to operator between as a condition. Okay, so that is your EMP dot serial number is equal to sports dot serial number. If you write like this, this is what the example of equijoin. And then next is your non-equijoin. Non-equijoin means any join in which is equal to operator we are not using. That will be called as your non-equijoin. That is, for example, if I write same thing, something like this. So it is non-equijoin. Okay, I have changed this. Instead of is equal to operator, I am writing something else. So it is non-equijoin. Then after that, next we have to discuss is the natural join. Now for natural join. See, yesterday we were doing that and answer was not coming. The reason was because see, I have used alter command, and with that alter command, I have changed the column name. So with that, it was not working. So therefore, what I have done is later on, I have removed the table and I have created it again. So it was working perfectly. Fine. So simply you write select asterisk from both the table name sports, then natural join, and then another table name is EMP. See, previously yesterday when we were executing, we were getting empty set. Only one reason was there, that is because of that alter command we have used. Okay, so now you can see in natural join, last time also we have discussed that if we are using equi-join, in case of equi-join, both the columns will be displayed, both the common columns. You can see over here, this was equi-join. Let me show you that again over here only. See, you can compare these two. Here you can see serial number has been, means common column has been shown 2 times if we are using equi-join. But if we are using natural join, in that particular case, you can see common column has been shown to you only single time. Only this is the difference between your natural join and equi-join. So you must know the difference between the natural join and the equi-join. Then one more important thing, that whatever sequence you will be writing, on the basis of that only the joining will be there. Now what is the meaning of this? That here I have written sports first, so you can see the sports information are there. Then after that I have written EMP, so after that only EMP informations are there. If you wanted to change this, for example, here only first I am writing EMP and then I am writing sports. So see, actually what you have to understand, that whatever sequence you will give, on the basis of that only the joining will be there. You can see the difference here. Serial numbers, S name, quantity, price was there, but here you can see S name, quantity, price is given later on. The reason is because we have only given this sports name later on, and then EMP information, that is name, department, age, date of joining, you can see it has been given first. The reason is because we have only given first the preference for the EMP table. Okay, so this is what your natural join. Then in natural join also you can write some condition. Okay, means right now what we have done, natural join. Natural join means corresponding informations are joined together. Still, if you wanted to apply few more condition, for example, I just only wanted to see the information whose age is 45 or 45 or greater than 45. So what I can do with this natural join, I can write where clause also. So where age is greater than or equal to 45. So see, it is not like that if after joining you cannot write the condition. You can write the condition after the joining also. So it is your choice that whether you wanted to write or you don't wanted to write. You can see here that for equi-join it is given that it is compared for equality. And here it is given that non-equi-join is a query that specify the relationship other than equality operator between columns. Matlab, except equality operator, you can use any other operator that will be called as non-equi-join. Okay, then natural join. Yes, I wanted to show you this only. That what is given that in the natural join. Yes, cross join, then natural join. It is given that common column will be erased. Yes, you can see from here that it is given from here. That is select asterisk, then from first table name, then natural join, then second table name. This is the syntax how you are going to use this. We have already done this, but we have to see with respect to the book also. So select asterisk from first table name, then natural join, then another table name. Okay, and if you wanted to give any condition, means for filtering purpose, so you can write condition after the natural join also. No problem. It will filter your records or your output. Okay, then next one. See, now when we were discussing joining, no, we have discussed two more things that we can use on and using. On and using. Now you have to understand one thing. The very first or common question is the difference between on and using. At a time you can use any one thing. Okay, remember this, at a time any one thing. either on or using. If you are using on, after on you can write any condition. Okay, that on what condition you wanted to join. And then if you are using, in that particular case you can write join fields. Now one more thing you have to understand, that if you are having if you are going to use on, generally we are going to write over here is equal to operator, means that is for equijoin we are using this on, and for using we are generally using natural joins. Okay, now what is the meaning of this, that also we will check. That suppose we have written over here something like this, then after this I can write using, and explicitly I can write the name of my column. For example, I am writing here serial number. Okay, so using, and then एक second. Over here. Now see, what you have to understand, that you wanted to do natural join, but you are only using join. Okay, in that particular case, you will not use natural join. If you are going to write natural join and then you are writing this, means automatically it is going to give you the joining on the basis of the common column. So therefore it will not work like this. But if you are using join, so we know by default it will be your cross join, but still you wanted to do natural join. So what you can do, you can use this using. Then after using, you can give your common column name. Even you can see over here, now it is the example of your natural join, and therefore you can see that the serial number has been given only one time. Is this is also clear using? If using is clear, then only we will discuss on. Yes. Again I am repeating, अगर आप using use में लेते हो, so in that particular case आपका जो आप simple join करोगे, by default simple join जो होता है वो आपको cross join देता है. लेकिन अगर आपने using, अगर clause use में लिया और उसमें आपने common column का नाम लिख दिया, तो ये ultimately natural join में आपको result दे देगा. Fine. So this is what we have to understand. अब दूसरा आता है आप लोगों का on. Like instead of using, you wanted to use on. On will be for cross join. Remember this thing. ठीक है. So sorry, not for cross join, it will be for equijoin. So what we can do, जैसे suppose I am having this, again we will be writing like this. Now instead of this using, I am going to use on, and after on we have seen that we have to write the condition. So condition will be something like this, that emp dot serial number is equal to, this is emp dot serial number is equal to your sports dot serial number. Okay, you can see over here that it is giving you equijoin. Is this is clear? Again, I am repeating, you must know the difference between using and difference between or. In using, we are passing only common column, whereas in case of on, we are writing the condition on the basis of equijoin. Okay. So this is what we were supposed to know related to your cross join, your equijoin, your natural join. Now afterwards, you are having, after this, you are having left join and right join. Okay, now you can see some examples are also given over here. If we are using on, then we have to use any condition. Okay, then using also we have discussed. Now we are going to have, acha, this is important thing. This is the difference between your on and using. So it is given on clause require a complete join condition, means basically we have to write the condition for on clause. Whereas for using it is given, we just need the name of the column for joining. Okay, using subclass produces natural join. If you are using join, so you will be getting natural join. Whereas if you are using on, you will be getting equijoin. Okay, this is what you means, two differences are there. So these two differences you have to keep in your mind. Then we have left join and right join. Again, very simple. See, left join means on the basis of left side of the table, left side table, you wanted to join your right side information, and vice versa we will be having in the right join. So for example, let me explain you this with example. First of all, the syntax, select, then your all name of the columns, then from table 1. Now this is your first table. So first this table will be shown completely, then left join table 2. Now whatever matching information of table 1 was there will be shown by table 2. Remaining information will be filled with the null value. Again I am repeating, ये जो आपकी फर्स्ट टेबल है ये पूरी की पूरी दिख जाएगी, जबकि सेकंड टेबल में से सिर्फ मैचिंग वाली इंफॉर्मेशन दिखेगी, बाकी सारी की सारी जो रोज होंगी वो नल वैल्यू से फिल हो जाएंगी. इवन यू कैन सी ओवर हियर इन लेफ्ट जॉइन ऑल रोज फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट टेबल विल बी रिटर्न, यानी फर्स्ट टेबल में से एज इट इज सारी की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आएंगी. ठीक है, फर्स्ट टेबल में दिस इज योर फर्स्ट टेबल, यहाँ से सारी की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आएंगी, और सेकेंड टेबल में से अनमैच्ड जो रोज होंगी वो आपको नहीं दिखेंगी, वो फिल हो जाएंगी विद द नल वैल्यू. नाउ हाउ टू यूज दिस, सेलेक्ट में यू कैन राइट ऑल द कॉलम नेम्स फ्रॉम मेंबर्स. दिस इज वन टेबल नेम, मतलब फर्स्ट टेबल नेम, देन लेफ्ट जॉइन, then this is my second table name, then we have given one more clause that is on, and then we have given the specific condition. Okay, so we can see you can see over here that they have shown you something like this. You can see over here, matlab this is my first table. First table was as it is. Second table में से whatever matching informations were there has been shown, and unmatched informations are filled with the null value. This is what your left join is. This is clear. First वाली टेबल पूरी की पूरी आई है, सेकेंड वाली में से जितने मैच हो गए उतने आगे, और जितने अनमैच्ड थे वो नल वैल्यू से फिलअप हो गए. वी विल क्रॉस चेक दिस बाय in MySQL. So I'm just displaying you both the tables first. Select asterisk from EMP. This is my first table. Select asterisk from sports. This is my second table. ठीक है, अगर आप लोग ये देखोगे only 1 and 2 is matching. Remaining all nothing is matching from this. So we are writing something like this. Select asterisk from. See, in the left side I want EMP. So EMP. After that, I will be writing left join. You can cross check from here also, fine. So I will be writing left join. After left join, I have to write my second table name. I'm writing here sports. Okay, after sports, then I need to write, you can see on, and then whatever is the equal columns. So on, then I will be writing EMP dot serial number is equal to sports dot serial number. So you can see over here, first वाली table जो थी as it is coming. Second table में से only matching information has come. Remaining all is filled with the null value. I am doing one more thing. I am inserting one value in the sports. Insert into sports. One unmatched value basically. Then values. And then I am inserting here 11. Then I am inserting here tennis, then 80, 40. Okay, now I'm going to execute this. You can see still only 2 informations are there. Okay, your this record was unmatched. ये मैच नहीं हुआ, इसीलिए this is not shown over here. Now if you will do reverse of this का मतलब है, now if I'm going to take sports, let me know how many columns will come according to you. Okay, sorry, how many rows will be there? Only I'm changing the name of the tables. Again I'm repeating, how many rows will come? What do you think? 3 or 7? Yes, it will be total 3 rows. 3 rows क्यों? Because just now we have inserted one more. Fine. So total 3 rows of sports, and you can see that first 2 were matched, so complete information is shown. And wherever unmatched was there, it is shown with the null value. I hope this is very easy and very much clear to you. That is what is left join. Then vice versa of this we are having in the right join. Okay, right join mein what we will be doing? You can see over here that instead of left join, I'll do right join. Anyone who can explain what will happen in this case? No idea. Chalo, I have executed. Now let me know what is the difference. See, I have used the same, but this time I have used right join. Now let me know what do you understand by this? Anyone who can explain that what we are doing in the right join? Yes. Now see, in right join, we will see the right table. Right table will be considered as the, yes, very good. Right table will be considered as the main table. So it will be shown completely. जो right table थी, EMP थी, so it has been shown completely. और जो ये वाली value थी, this will be termed as your second table. है ना? So second table में से all the matched value will be shown and unmatched value will be filled with the null value. Okay. If I'll change the name of the column table. So now my first table will be, here I'm writing EMP and here I'm writing sports. So now in this case, my first table is sports. Yani sports jo hoga, it will be shown completely. All its matched will be shown in the EMP and unmatched will be shown with the null value. So you can see over here, sports tha. This is my first table. The first table has been shown completely. And here matched information has been shown. Remaining information is filled with the null value. This is also clear to all of you? Left join, right join. Now see, only 3 topics are remaining from this particular chapter. That is union, intersect and minus. That we will do no doubt next time. But till that time, you will be doing up to page number 409. You have to read each and everything and then you are going to execute those things. Plus, I will be giving you question answers that you have to do in your notebook from this particular chapter. Because on Monday we will complete this chapter, but what I want is that you must start working with the question answers of this particular chapter. Is that is clear, all of you? Or still anyone any doubt, then let me know. Otherwise, I will wind up over here. Okay. Okay, then good day, all of you.